Hi everyone, my name is Anshika and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you people about how to do a DIY of soft boxes using home products. Before I decided that I will be making a video on this DIY softbox, I was like in a lot of confusion because there are a lot of videos on YouTube itself for this DIY. But then I noticed that somehow they do not exactly tell you what to use and what not to use and how to do it. And because of that factor, my 3 attempts also failed. If you follow me on my Instagram, you must be knowing that I posted a story also telling that the attempts failed. And then I was like, you know what, let me figure it out exactly how to do it. And that is why I think my 4th attempt got successful and I finally made it. By the way, I am like shooting in these softbox light only. And yeah, so in this video, first I will be sharing how I actually did it, measurement and all. And at the end of the video, I'll be also giving you few tips and tricks that I applied, and you should also apply in order to get your attempt successful, the very first attempt to get successful. So yeah, let's get started. Seen how I actually did it, all the measurements and all, you know. So let me give you my tips and tricks so you can just apply and not fail in any of the attempts that you make. The first tip is that do not buy a cardboard box which you get on a stationery shop. The reason why I'm saying is that you will fail, and it is because when you stick it on a surface like this, So the cardboard box is like really thin. If you notice, if you go on a stationery shop and see, the cardboard box is like really thin, and hence it does not get enough surface to stick on this, and it falls down. Also it is heavy, so it again falls down. So when you stick all the four parts, all the four pieces together, it will bend like this or this. It won't be like sticking straight. So you will fail in that attempt. So do not think that you will buy a cardboard and proceed further. Use only boxes that I have told. Go on a shop, kabadi wale ke shop pe chale jao. Go on a refrigerator store, electronic stores, anywhere, even grocery store पे भी आप जाके देखोगे तो वो बोलोगे तो वो दे देंगे वो boxes बहुत आसानी से. They might take some money, but like the money is worth, because cardboard box बहुत महंगा खरीदोगे and वो fail हो जाएगा, so it will like be a really bad thing for you. So yeah, the first tip was this. The second tip is not to panic and buy a glue gun for making these soft boxes. I saw in almost all of the videos that they were using glue gun, and hence I also went ahead and bought a glue gun, which was like a bummer for me because वो work नहीं करी. जब मैंने उसको घर पे plug में लगाया and I like started it, it was waste. चाइना का माल था यार, चले तो चांद तक नहीं तो रात तक वाला सीन. So what I did instead of that was that I used a Fevi stick, and वो बहुत जल्दी चिपक भी रहा था and वो बहुत आसान था. मुश्किल से मुझे I think 4-5 packets pieces of Fevi stick लगी हैं. So मुश्किल से यार 5 pieces of Fevi stick I think 25-30 rupees की आ जाएगी. You go ahead and buy it and it's like so easy and money saving. And the last and the final tip is that while sticking all the 4 pieces together, you might see corners here and there or spaces here and there जो एक साथ नहीं stick हो रही होंगी. So it's like when you try to stick them, थोड़ी सी space बीच में बच जा रही होगी. So what you do is like insert a aluminium foil inside it and then try to stick it. It's a human error जो हम cutting करते वक्त, वो size में cutting करते वक्त हम थोड़ा सा here and there कर देते हैं. So वो जब हम stick करते हैं तो वो बीच में space create कर देता है. Fill that with aluminium foil and it's going to stick. I tried paper also, but paper was like difficult for me to insert and then crush it and all. So aluminium foil को हम बहुत आसानी से crush कर सकते हैं, वो बहुत आसानी से जा भी रहा था and Fevi stick से वो तुरंत चिपक जा रहा था. So that was like too good for me. So I am just advising you, in case you get these spaces between those two cuttings. And yeah, also you can try to wrap all the 4 pieces from outside together so that जो अंदर की lightings and all है या कुछ भी है वो space की वजह से बाहर नहीं जाए. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope it is going to help someone to make these DIY soft boxes. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss an upload. Please follow me on all my social media handles. I will link them below. And till then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.